Well, as we all know, in the United States, Thanksgiving is coming up. And that means maybe some travel, maybe some different foods than you usually eat. So it's not unusual that after Thanksgiving you feel a little out of sorts because you've been on airplanes maybe, you've been in cars, you've been off your routine, and maybe you've been eating food that you don't really know what all the ingredients are, and maybe you just decided to loosen up a little bit. So the basic thing is during Thanksgiving is to try to stay on track as much as you can, but if you can't, give yourself some grace because it's a tough time of year to really stay on your health regime, though not impossible. And with a little mindfulness and a little attention, you'll be able to steer clear of really falling off the rails and maybe just, a little bit off the rails, like maybe a little extra pumpkin pie or something like that. So try to eat as cleanly as possible. Try to stick with your routine as much as possible. And if you do veer a little bit, do the things you need to do to sort yourself out and get back on the horse.